My name is Muhammad Nafazli. My metric number is 191780. I would like to present about our company background. LPP at Registrar has delegated the power to establish, register, suspend and disband PP. Main objective of establishing PP is to improve economic and social standard, increase knowledge and skill, raise revenue and income, also improve the member life and create a progressive, independent, prosperous and integrated farmer community. The role of PP is to advance the economic and social interests, increase the welfare of its members. PPK are PP that are delegate each state. PPK Melaka Tengah has worked on two agriculture-based products, which is padi and passion fruit, Markisa. The capital invested in Markisa is 150,000. The asset consists of building costing is 50,000, juice processor costing 10,000, and lorry costing of 20,000. For paddy, the capital invested are 300,000, which asset of building costing 100,000. Water pump costing is 10,000 and lorry which 20,000, adding up which fixture and fitting which cost 900.
My name is Muhammad Izzat Azamuddin bin Muhammad Izwan. My message number is 189312, and I will explain about the uniqueness of sale, purchase and incentive received that are included in the statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income. And the other one is the uniqueness of capital that include in statement of financial position. That's all for credit.
First of all, I will explain about the uniqueness of paddy plantation, especially in the statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income. For the first one, in the sale of paddy itself. What is the unique of the sale of paddy is sales are made during the end of the season on the harvesting day. For this year, we are harvesting the yields at the 30th December of 2016. Means that these sales are different by other business that may have sale by month or by day.
My name is Nurala binti Muhammad. My metric number is 191705. I'm going to explain about the uniqueness of the expenses in the statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income of paddy at the year ended 31st December 2016.
The first expenses are damage expenses. So these damage expenses are paid for accident caused by the lorry paddy crash on the neighbor house near the paddy field. The second expenses are spare part expense, which spare part are bought for water irrigation system. The rent expense, which is machine, PPK rent harvester and ploughing machine to finish and do the activities involving with paddy cultivation. Pesticide expenses, purchase of pesticide are increasing during the mid-season since the pest and weed are increased, followed by the growth of paddy. Water management expenses. Water management are to control the in and out activities of water irrigation system because paddy needs specific water level for its cultivation. The next expense are rent expense, which is the land lot. So land are rented from the landlord at the Lanjut Manis area because PPK did not have their own lands for agriculture and plantation for paddy. The next are water pump expenses. So water pump are used for control water level in paddy fields. There are much more expenses including for water pump, which is the maintenance and others. The lastly is wage expense. So the wages are paid by PPK itself, and while salary for the government staff are covered by the government.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Ashraf bin Azlan. My matrix number is 191666. I will explain about uniqueness of non-current asset in statement of financial position of paddy at the year ended 31st December 2016.
There is four non-current assets of paddy. First, buildings. PPK invests for 100,000 for two-story shop lot. The ground floor occupied for passion fruit processing factory. Second, motor vehicle, which is lorry. Lorry are used for collecting and transferring the harvested paddy yields to the Jelapang Selatan, Muar, rice factory Sendirian Berhad. Third, water pump. The cost for installation of water pump are total up to 20,000 ringgit, including the pump house and the water pump itself. Last, fixture and fittings. The upgrades that are made at the paddy field are installation of gate at the entrance to ensure the outbound activities are controlled.
I will continue the uniqueness of the capital. The capital is collected from PPK's members as the shareholder. This is bind to the Article 22 of the Constitution of the establishment. The condition of establishment of PPK is to have the member as the shareholder.
Hello, my name is Nurul Nazira binti Ramli and my matric number is 194098. I will explain about the uniqueness of sales and purchase in statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income at the year ended of 31st December 2016 of Markisa. The uniqueness of sales is the sales made from PPK are passion puree, which is there are selling the puree but also selling to the supplier soft drink, where they will make the puree as a main ingredient to make the passion juice. Next, the uniqueness of purchase. PPK will collect the yield of passion fruit from the farmers, which is also the members of PPK. So, the market for passion fruit are guaranteed. Then, the passion fruit is the process to puree as the final product.
My name is Shamsul Azam bin Zainuddin alias Nordin. My matric number 191639. I'm going to talk about the uniqueness of expense in profit or loss and other comprehensive income and the capital in financial position for Makisa.
For Marquisa expenses, there are two uniqueness which are consultancy services expense and salary and wages expense. For consultancy services expense, PPK will help farmers to planting Marquisa. They will link farmers with the specific agency according to their needs. The agency will help farmers with give some advice and guidance in planting Marquisa. For salary and wages expenses, wages are paid for part-time workers only, while salaries are paid for staff and be paid by government.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Amin bin Muhammad Fauzi and my matric number is 192027. Today, I will explain to you about the uniqueness of the non-current assets of Marquesa in the financial position at the year ended 31st December 2016. For the financial position of Marquesa at the year ended 31st December 2016, the uniqueness of non-current asset is: first, buildings, which is the building have two-story shop, first floor for rent and the second floor and the ground floor are planned for passion fruit processing. Second is motor vehicle, lorry, which is used for collect marquesa from the farmers. There is puree processor, which is process the marquesa into puree. Next, the capital is collected from the PPK members as the shareholders.
For Marquesa Capital, it was collected from PPK members, which are their role as the shareholder.